Hey guys, Glenn Foster here. If this is your first time checking out my channel, thank you for taking time out of your schedule to watch this next video. Make sure you hit that like button if you like this video, as well as the subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the little bell icon. That way you can be updated when I post new videos. Now today we're at a glamping site in Lake Kissimmee, Florida. That's right, Lake Kissimmee, Florida. This next video is about a glamping facility, and I hope you enjoy. So today's question is, what glamping sites have you been to? Make sure you put in the comments below where you have been. That way many people can see the different kind of glamping sites in the state of Florida. All right, now it's time to go see the glamping site facility itself, and we'll be spending the night tonight. Come along, let's go. Well guys, it is the next day, and last night I had a great sleep last night here at this glamping site, Pioneer 1, the P3 Lake Kissimmee, located in Lake Wales, Florida. I had a great time, had a great sleep. It's a beautiful location, so if you're looking for anything to do here in the state of Florida, this particular unit can sleep 4 people. It has a queen size bed inside as well as 2 sleeping bags. It is also air conditioned unit. They also have coffee pot, water, towels, and they also have bathrooms right nearby this site, so you can go take a quick shower once you've had a great day here out here in Lake Kissimmee. So thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, make sure you smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon. Now I want to also give a very special thanks to Arden. She is the owner and manager of the glamping sites. They actually own 3 locations. So they have one in Claremont, one in Kissimmee, then one here in Lake Wales. This is their newest facility, and it's a great little place if you're looking for a getaway here in the state of Florida. And until we meet again, till next time, my name is Glenn Foster. Peace.